Spring is here, and while most people focus on deep cleaning inside their homes, there is one important area that often gets overlooked: your roof. A little maintenance now can save you from costly repairs later. In this video, we are sharing 6 essential tips to keep your roof in top shape this spring. Let's get started. Clear those gutters. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up under your roof, leading to leaks and damage. Leaves, twigs, and debris from winter storms can pile up fast. Make sure your gutters and downspouts are clear, so water flows away from your home, not into it. Check for loose or damaged shingles and tiles. Strong winds and heavy rains take a toll on your roof. Look for missing, cracked, or curled shingles and tiles. These are signs that your roof may need repairs. If you notice anything off, don't wait. Small issues can turn into big problems. Inspect flashing and seals. Flashing around chimneys, vents, and skylights helps keep water out. Over time, it can crack or loosen, allowing leaks to sneak in. A quick check now can prevent costly water damage later. Watch out for moss and algae. If you see dark streaks or green patches on your roof, that is algae or moss buildup. While it might not seem like a big deal, it traps moisture and speeds up roof deterioration. A gentle cleaning with a moss-removing solution can help protect your shingles. Trim overhanging branches. Trees add shade and beauty to your home, but branches that touch your roof can scrape shingles, drop debris, and even create entry points for pests. Trimming them back can prevent unnecessary wear and tear. Schedule a professional inspection. Even if your roof looks fine, a trained eye can catch hidden issues. Regular inspections help extend your roof's lifespan and keep your home protected. At Innovative Roofing, we make spring maintenance easy. Whether you need a repair, a full replacement, or just expert advice, we are here to help. If you liked this video, please hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on how to protect your roof.